Hey, Mr. Wong.
Hello, Mr. Wong.
Stefan.
Alistair.
And this is one of our 2 video lessons for the Chapter 5. Is it Chapter 5 Part 2?
Yes.
Chapter
5.
Just the Chapter 5 section of Calculus 12. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the fundamental theorem of calculus Part 1 to find the derivative of the function capital F of x equals the integral from root 2x to x to the 4th root t cosine t dt. So we're gonna start with separating. We're gonna separate the two, the lower limit and the upper limit. What is that? df over dt. Yes. And I take the derivative of from zero. Sorry, the integral. So we're gonna take the derivative of the integral from 0 to the upper limit. And then we're going to subtract the derivative of 0 of the integral of 0 to the lower limit. Okay. And that ends up being so we're going to put in x to the 4 for t there and t there, so it'll be the square root of x to the 4th cosine x to the 4th, and then we also have to take the derivative. We have to take the derivative of that upper limit, so times d over dx x to the 4, and then subtract. Put 2x, the lower limit, put that in for t. So subtract it from the square root of 2x cosine root 2x, and then multiply that times the derivative of root 2x.
Okay, so we've got this far and we have the derivative. Now we have the important job of simplifying. So from here you can go down to You can go down to firstly the square root of 4 is of course x squared. Then we have cos of x to the 4 minus, and then we have the derivative of cos of x to the 4 times the derivative of x to the power 4, which is x, which is 4 x to the 3, and then from there we go minus root 2x, which is something that we're just going to write as the quartic root of 2x, times, and then from there we're going to go times the derivative of root 2x, which becomes 2 over 2 root 2x, and of course these 2's cancel, and then that all multiplied by cos of root 2x. Here. Now, again, we go further. 4x cubed times x squared becomes 4x to the power 5 cos x4 minus, here we can just simplify, minus quartic root of 2x times cos of root 2x all over root 2x. Why is that root x? Okay, over root x, sorry.
Thank you.
And thank you. That is this is your derivative.